Hello, welcome to the Science Odyssey Scavenger Hunt, hosted by NSERC's PromoScience program. My name's Luke, I'm an educator at Water Rangers, and I'm going to be your host for the next 5 days. Over the next 5 days, you will learn about how to test water quality, you'll learn how to take down observations from your testing journey, you'll develop an understanding of your waterways and the ecosystems around them, and finally, you're going to become a junior water ranger by the end of the week. If you've received your Water Rangers Tiny Kit in the mail, this is your chance to use it in the field. If you don't have one, or if you haven't received it yet, then not to worry, because a lot of the tests we're going to be doing are accessible to everybody. The most important thing to remember when doing any sort of water testing around any open water is to keep in mind that your safety is important. If it's not safe to do any water testing, then don't do it. Ideally, you should find a body of water where you feel comfortable testing and you can test over the next 5 days at the same place. So today let's talk about air and water temperature as the first part of our journey. You will need your Tiny Kit field guide. You'll need some note paper to take observations. You'll need your stream thermometer, of course. You also need a pen or a pencil and maybe a ruler as well. So air temperature helps us understand context for our observations. To test air temperature, we're going to hang our thermometer in a tree and leave it for a few minutes before we test our water temperature. This way we can get an accurate reading of what the air is like. We're going to keep the thermometer in the shade as well. Next, we're going to be testing water temperature. Water temperature can tell us a lot of things about our bodies of water, and different water temperatures can affect the ability for water to support life. So if your water is too cold or too warm, it might be really difficult for life to exist there. It can also affect what chemicals can dissolve in your water, and this can be normal chemicals or pollutants. It can also affect how many gases or what kinds of gases are absorbed in your water, like carbon dioxide. To test our water temperature, we're going to try and put our thermometer 10 centimeters or lower into our water. If you're testing in a small stream, it may be shallower than that, but that's okay. We're going to leave our thermometer in the water for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to take it out and read what the temperature says right away. So my challenge to you today is, I want you to try and fill up 3 cups of water from your tap or from your stream. I want to leave these cups of water in different areas of your house. Maybe you could put one on a windowsill, maybe one on the floor, and maybe one inside of a cupboard where it's dark and shady. Leave these for a few hours or overnight. Come back to them afterwards and check the water temperature of each. If you see any differences, write them down in your notes. Be sure to post pictures and comments below of your water testing journey today and for the next 5 days as well. At the end of the 5 days, we're going to take the top 5 posters and mail them a special Water Rangers badge. Good luck testing today, and see you tomorrow.